know that 70% of the world's oxygen comes from just one plant? And it's totally edible with tons of amazing benefits. You guessed it, we're talking about sea moss. This amazing marine plant, similar to kelp and other seaweeds, is loaded with nutrients, which is why it's so famous for its health perks. In this video, we're diving into 6 awesome benefits of sea moss, and trust me, the last one will totally surprise you. Number 6. Helps increase libido. Nearly 1 in 5 men worldwide face libido issues. But here's some good news. Sea moss might just be the plant to help. While some researchers are all for the idea that sea moss has aphrodisiac qualities, the science is still catching up. Sea moss may also have the potential to support hormone levels that influence female libido. For instance, iodine, a key nutrient found in sea moss, plays an important role in thyroid health by helping to maintain balanced TSH levels. According to Costa, women with thyroid issues often experience sexual dysfunction more frequently, so by aiding proper thyroid function, iodine might also contribute to enhancing libido. However, it's important to note that there are other effective ways to manage thyroid issues, and addressing them often alleviates any associated sexual dysfunction. On top of that, sea moss contains zinc, and a 2021 study suggests that zinc might help balance hormones and support sexual function in postmenopausal women, but it's mostly beneficial if you're already low on zinc. So while iodine and zinc aren't officially linked to boosting libido or sexual function in women just yet, sea moss may help with these nutrient levels. Who knows? It might be worth a try. Number 5. Enhancing physical performance. Now imagine getting a boost in both your libido and your physical performance. How awesome would that be? Sea moss is widely recognized for boosting physical performance because it contains vital minerals like magnesium, calcium, potassium, and iron, which are essential for maintaining muscle strength, increasing energy levels, and enhancing overall physical capabilities. Plus, sea moss is rich in antioxidants, which help reduce inflammation and fight off oxidative stress in your body. This means quicker recovery after your workouts and a lower risk of injuries. To top it off, sea moss is full of amino acids, which are the building blocks of protein, super important for muscle growth and repair. So whether you're into working out or just want to stay active, adding sea moss to your diet could give you that extra boost you need. But before we dive into the next benefit, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Natural Education, because we discuss the best steps to look after your health. Number 4. Works exceptionally for joint health. It's hard to deny that joint issues are becoming more common these days, whether it's due to aging, injuries, or even genetics. But the good news is that sea moss could be a natural way to help with joint health. This marine superfood is getting a lot of attention for its potential to ease joint discomfort and improve mobility. You see, sea moss is also full of natural anti-inflammatory compounds like carrageenan and bromine, which are known to help reduce inflammation in the body. Since inflammation is one of the biggest reasons for joint pain and stiffness, lowering it can bring some real relief. Regularly adding sea moss to your diet might not just help with the pain you already have, but it could also prevent future flare-ups, making it a great option for supporting long-term joint health. On top of that, sea moss is packed with minerals like calcium, iron, potassium, and magnesium, all of which are super important for keeping your bones and joints strong. These minerals don't just help strengthen bones and cartilage, they also play a role in easing joint pain. And because sea moss is rich in mucilage, it helps lubricate and cushion your joints. This extra hydration can make a big difference in reducing soreness and improving flexibility, so everyday activities feel more comfortable and enjoyable. Number 3. Good for high blood pressure. Another reason to eat sea moss every day is because it is a fantastic natural option for helping with high blood pressure, thanks to its high potassium chloride content. This mineral works to balance out the effects of too much sodium, which is great for keeping your blood pressure in check. But wait, remember when we said that sea moss also has magnesium and calcium? Well, both of them play a role in managing blood pressure. While we still need more research to fully understand how sea moss works for blood pressure, tons of people have noticed positive changes after adding it to their daily routine. One study even found that sea moss extract could help lower blood pressure, making it a potential natural fix for hypertension. Plus, sea moss is known to help with cholesterol, which means it could also reduce the risk of heart disease and stroke, a total win. If you're thinking of giving sea moss a try for blood pressure, it's good to know how much to take. If you're using the powdered form, start with 1 to 2 teaspoons a day. If you're going with dried sea moss, soak it overnight, blend it into a gel, and toss it into your smoothies or drinks. And of course, it's always smart to check in with your healthcare provider before starting any new supplement, just to make sure it's right for you. Number 2. Promotes sleep. When it comes to enjoying all the benefits of sea moss, getting good sleep is a must. Without enough rest, you won't get to fully experience its perks. One cool but lesser-known benefit of sea moss is that it might help with sleep. Although there isn't a lot of scientific research yet, Sea moss has some qualities that may help improve sleep. One key factor is its high magnesium content, which is known for promoting relaxation and reducing stress. Since magnesium is essential for a healthy nervous system, low levels can make it harder to sleep. Including sea moss in your diet could increase your magnesium levels and support a more restful night's sleep. Sea moss also has plenty of tryptophan, an amino acid that helps your body make serotonin. Eating foods or taking supplements with tryptophan can increase your serotonin levels, which might lead to better sleep. Number 1. Improves respiratory health. Here's a neat but often overlooked benefit of sea moss. It can be great for your respiratory health. With around 545 million people worldwide struggling with respiratory issues, it's worth knowing about sea moss as a potential remedy. Sea moss is packed with nutrients that can boost lung health and help with stuff like asthma, pneumonia, and bronchitis. It's been used in Ireland for ages, where people still make teas and cough remedies with it to tackle colds and coughs. What's cool about sea moss is that it has a soothing effect on your respiratory system. It can help with dry coughs, clear out mucus, and ease sore throats because of its natural mucilage. So adding sea moss to your daily routine could really benefit your lungs and overall health. Just make sure you pick up high-quality sea moss products, like wild-crafted sea moss capsules. That's all for today. If you want to know more about sea moss, check out our next video where we discuss some other specific benefits of sea moss both for men and women.